Yeah, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We have another soap review here. So today we have the Unger Easy Glide glass cleaner. So this one right here, here's the one I started off with when I first started my window cleaning company. I still use Dawn soap, but I also wanted to do I wanted to have a secondary solution that I use when that I can mix with my Dawn soap. So I really like this one. It smells really like the smell is like burned into my head because I've just been using it so much. But this is pretty much my go-to soap here. So this is the Unger Professional. This is the old formula. If you go to Home Depot right now and look it up, it's blue now. It's not green anymore. So yeah, this is the Unger Easy Glide glass cleaner. So this one makes about, according to the direction, it makes 25 gallons. So it makes a little bit less. You get more solution to make less product technically, because this one is 1-to-1, 1 ounce to equals 1 gallon of solution creation. This is 32 ounces and it makes 25 gallons, so it's a little bit less. Two caps. So the directions are 2 caps to 1 gallon of water, which will pretty much be about an ounce, to be honest with you. This cap is probably about an ounce, maybe ounce and a half, so it pretty much will make about 2 gallons of solution mix. So the directions are: mix 2 capsules with water, never undiluted. And then it just has safety instructions. It doesn't have real instructions besides your mixing ratios. I always put more than what it says, and it works just fine. When I use this solution just alone, it cleaned the glass, but I didn't feel like it was clean enough. So I always mix this with Dawn soap. So I can't use this as a standalone unless I mix a lot of it with soap and water. So it is a good product. It is the cheapest product. I believe this is about, man, it's been a while since I bought this because it does last me quite a bit. I think it's $10. I'm not sure. I'll have the prices down below. I think it's $10. And you can buy it in the 32 ounces or in the gallon. So just obviously you get more for the gallon. It's cheaper per ounce with the gallon. But like I said, this is a pretty good one. This is pretty much my favorite one. This is my go-to one. So this is the one I always use. I always have on hand, and I always use when I'm cleaning windows. It's always part of my solution mix. So I always do about a 4-ounce pour of Dawn soap, and then just like a drop of this. I don't know how much I use. I just drop it in there. It's about 2 gallons of water. And it cleans really well. It glides really well. I never have any sticking on the glass with the solution. Even when the squeegee's still a little wet and I go over a dry spot, it still has enough I guess moisture, liquid, whatever, to still glide along the glass without creating hack marks. So I really like this one. I mean, I don't have anything negative to say about it. It is a good product. You know, you can pick it up at Home Depot. You can pick it up online, I believe, on Amazon. And then obviously the window cleaning supply stores, they have this as well. So if you want to give this a check, if you want to give this a try, go ahead. It's only like I think it's like $5 to $10, because I remember the gallon is about 14 to 20. But I'll have the prices down below. So give them a try, check it out, and see how it does for you. I would say give it a try, just the solution itself with your water, and a solution and the soapy suds. The Dawn soap as well. But again, you can use it however you want. It's really all preference. Each window cleaner is different. Some window cleaners just straight soap and water. Typically that's what I do, but you know, sometimes I'll just grab these just to use them, but I really don't use these soaps. I really just use my Dawn soap. But like I said, this does create a nice glide for my squeegees. So yeah, so give it a try, check them out. Links will be down below. Till the next one, peace.